Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a really interesting topic that's all about child custody laws. And believe me, you are in for a treat. We'll be exploring the intricacies of child custody laws in Japan. And let me tell you, it's a whole different ballgame compared to what we are used to being in Indonesia. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Bismillah. So in this video, we are going to break down the ins and outs of child custody laws in Japan, drawing from the insightful book of child custody written by Muhammad Nasir Asnawi. So this is the book. But before we get into all the nitty-gritty details, let's first take a quick peek on how Japan tackles child custody in their legal system. Alright, buckle up folks, because we are about to explore the fascinating world of child custody regulations in Japan. Here's the deal. Child custody in Japan is governed by the Civil Code Act number 89 of 1896, specifically in Part 4, Articles number 766 and 788. And guess what? The Japanese family law doesn't actually focus on joint custody. Yup, you heard that right. Joint custody isn't a thing there. Over in Japan, when a couple goes through a divorce, the judge usually decides on sole custody. Yep, no joint custody discussion here. And guess what? Japan has the policy that foreign court decisions related to custody may not automatically apply within their jurisdiction. Instead, the local court judge considers decisions based on the specific circumstance. Now, let's dig deeper into the Japanese legal landscape. Whether within or outside of marriage, child custody is a pretty big deal. If a child is born out of the wedlock, the biological mother has the right to custody and responsibility for the child. And in case of divorce, parents need to agree on who gets the custody and responsibility for the child. Alright, here's when things get interesting. When disputes arise over the child custody, mediation steps is the first line of defense. But here's the catch. The child's best interest is the golden rule here. Just like the norm determining child custody in Japan revolves around the child's best interest, the judicial system meticulously examines all aspects, from interviewing both parents and the child to visiting the child's residence. In Japan, child custody dispute examinations are quite comprehensive. Even more so that what we see in Indonesia. They involve investigators who meet the child at their residence. These skilled investigators delve into the child's relationship with both parents. From their thoughts, their hopes, their feelings, sometimes counseling comes into play too. Now, let's talk about parental authority, or Shinkan. Shinkan is the term you need to know. During marriage, parents share the authority, including legal actions and managing the assets of the child. This includes decisions about education and residence, but keep in mind that these powers comes to the end due to divorce, the child reaching adulthood usually at 20 years, or court orders in case like child abuse. Alright, here's where the things get really intriguing. Visitations, or the right to see the child, is a bit different in Japan. It's not explicitly recognized as it is come to other legal system. And guess what? If a parent isn't granted custody by the court, they don't have the legal right to visitations. It's all about the other parents allowing for the child's well-being. But wait, there's more. The landscape is changing. There's a growing discourse about implementing joint custody and ensuring visitations rights are recognized and enforced. One remarkable point of discussions revolves around the Sugihara Memorandum, presented by Judge Noriko Sugihara, who emphasized that visitations should be based on the child's best interest, not the parent's desire. So, there you have an eye-opening look at child custody laws in Japan. We've covered the unique aspects of sole custody, the rigorous investigative process, and even the concept of visitations. Remember, it's all about what's the best for the child's growth and well-being. And who knows, with the evolving discussion and shifting perspective, Japan's approach might just see some exciting change ahead. Thank you for tuning in our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell if you so you never miss out on our insightful explorations. And until next time, keep seeking the knowledge, keep spreading those positive vibes, and take care of you, and catch you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.